Changris and McCauley back deep. Here's the kick from Hargi, and it will go to McCauley at the 1-yard line. Takes it up past the 10, gets through his blocks and has a lot of space in front of him. He's to the 40, to the 50, down the near side line. Just Hargi to beat, and he is tackled out of bounds at about the 28-yard line. That is a 71-yard return. Snap is down, held by Changris. The kick is up. Does it have the distance? Yes, it splits the uprights, and Bellarmine with a 3-0 lead. Again, the leg of Grant Bush there showing off. Two backs behind him, hands it off to Garcia Ceja. Big hole, breaks through one arm tackle, another, and he is going to reach pay dirt. Touchdown Pirates. A 16-yard touchdown scamper by Ruben Garcia Ceja. 4:26 to go, 2nd and 9. Looking to pass, lobs one for Baker, and it is going to be brought down inbounds. Yes! Touchdown San Leandro. And the Pirates have a 10-point lead, potentially 11 after the extra point. Here's 3rd and 20 for the Bells. Shotgun again for Carta Samuels. He takes the snap. Pass rushes on, steps up in the pocket. A good throw to Fourchette, and he might have enough for a first down. Looks like he'll be about a yard shy. Samuels will drop back to pass. 3 guys right in his face and dumps it off to Amani Bryant. A lot of room, and he dives into the end zone for the touchdown. Pay dirt for the Bells. Big touchdown, nice screen pass. Amani Bryant on the 18-yard touchdown reception. He did most of the work, and it's 14-9 San Leandro. That was against Dimitri Ali Fua. And here's Gavin Lynham up the middle, breaks the tackle, still on his feet, charges towards the end zone. Does he have it? No, just a half-yard shy. And Carta Samuels will keep it himself, plunges into the end zone, and it is a touchdown. They roll it on the field. The Bells are back on top, 16-14, thanks to the 1-yard plunge from KJ Carta Samuels. Acosta back to pass. Good pass rush, and Amani Bryant's going to bring him down. A big sack there for number 24 in white. That'll be a loss of nearly 10 yards. Going up against that 4-4 defense, play action, and is flushed out of the pocket and throws on the run in the back of the end zone. The grab is made by Kyle McCauley. Touchdown, Bellarmine. Oh, what a throw on the run by KJ Carta Samuels to the sophomore Kyle McCauley. KJ hands it off to Eli Marshall. All kinds of space to work with. An easy touchdown there. And that's a 20-yard run for Elijah Marshall to pay dirt. And it's 30-14 just like that. Johnson back to pass. The lefty down the sideline. Good throw. Baker comes down with the catch. Oh, my. He was blanketed by Grant Bush. I don't know how Baker came down with it. A beautiful toss and an even better catch. 43-yard reception as we are back in action quickly into the end zone, and a touchdown grab there. Ruben Baker again. Steven Johnson to Ruben Baker, and this is just an 11-point game. And Carta Samuels will keep it himself. Out on the edge, hurdles the defender, stays on his feet, inbounds, taken down at the 30-yard line for another Bellarmine first down. Scored 4 unanswered touchdowns to make it 31-14. There's the kneel down. This game is over, and Bellarmine improves to 2-0 on the season after knocking off San Leandro by a score of 31-21.